These are the funniest dog videos on the internet.
Nicely. Nicely does it. Good boys.
No!
Broccoli,
Yeah, thank you, bitch. Proceeds to
Apples.
pee on her.
pears, bananas, carrots,
Is he gonna fall asleep?
chicken.
Oh!
Okay, I'm going to give my dog an egg. Theoretically, she will understand that she is supposed to take care of it.
Is she gonna throw it around? Oh, look at him. He's so cute. No, what a tiny baby. He's so small.
You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. Alright, babe. Alright, oh, you. Alright, for real.
No!
Alright, one more. Quicker than that.
No! Mean! Oh.
This dog ducks their head every
He
time they drive
glitched,
under a bridge.
guys.
He's been
He
fed,
looks so
he's been
sad.
out. There's nothing on his list of needs that have to be taken care of except for this. He just needs to be held.
No! No!
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had?
Oh, what are you filming? Stop filming me! Yippee! Oh,
They tried to
baby.
give this dog some medicine.
oh. Oh, look at him, so cute. Is he gonna puke? Bleh. They're so cute. Oh, where's Papa? Papa? Papa?
This dog couldn't decide which side of the car had the better view.
My father did that too, but he never returned. No.
Доколкото разбрах, определено не го всеки ден, случвам.
Oh. No, but that's the best part. It's a crunchy one. What
This
is he
dog
doing?
is an
He
absolute
just stopped
freak.
working.
I'm pooping.
No.
¿Qué hiciste? ¿Vamos? ¿Qué hiciste? ¿Vamos? ¿Qué hiciste? ¿Vamos? ¿Qué hiciste?
Oh, this is so good. That was so good. So vamos means like, let's go. So it's like, let's go to the park, right? And he was like, oh. And then Casey stays like, what did you do? And he goes, oh. Huh? Oh. Huh?
¿Qué hiciste? ¿Vamos? ¿Qué hiciste? ¿Vamos? ¿Qué hiciste?
Vamos.
There's a trend where people see if their dogs would save them if they were to suddenly get attacked.
This dog is going to give two fucks about her. He just eats faster. He's like, come on, it's our last
Did you do
meal.
it? Who did that? Who did that? Was this you? Was this you? Libby. Libby. Libby! Come-
The wrong dog was getting blamed.
So sleepy.
The dog was like,
Not
huh?
ready to
What are you
do
doing, woman?
anything, not ready to get up until I ask, would you like to go? Ooh, that ear.
Oh wow. This is a dog caterpillar. Yeah, fuck you,
This
cud.
dog really thought it was all over.
Poor kitten. Stop attacking him! Wee. Oh, oi. Oh, look at that good boy. He's so pretty.
He knows the magic word to make his dog wake up.
If I say the word Chicken, she will wake up. Anything else I say, she's not waking up. Steak, beef, hamburger, chicken.
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. He's just a very happy
This
guy.
person went to go pick up their dog from daycare when
Hello,
their dog's
Dante.
face
Thank you for
lights
that
right up.
subscription. Oh, so cute. Oh.
Come on.
That's the happiest dog ever. I want 5 of them. I want 5 of those dogs. That's like me when I wake up and I chose to be mad with the world, right? Just don't giving a fuck about it. Those simple tasks like, I don't know, showering. Ugh. Let's be stinky together. Oh my god, Riri, thank you so much for those 5 gifted subs. He's like,
This
mother,
dog
you forgot
finally had
about
enough
me.
of getting bothered by this kitten.
Oh. Oh. That's a very cute kitten though. That's like Maxine. So, in my group of friends, we have Maxine. Maxine is someone who asks questions every day and every single time that we play with Maxie. Maxie is like the kind of person that you're playing a game for the first time with them. You don't know nothing about the game, but they're going to ask you anyway. If you know, he asks. If you don't know, he still asks. Maxie never Googles things. Maxie asks you. What's going on with that dog? Look at that little
This
idiot.
dog likes to stop by this car wash to get a good rub.
Ooh. Oh my god, yeah, that feels good, right? Ooh, so good. So good.
But he's holding it with his hand. He's holding it with his hand. Hi, buddy. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Hi, buddy.
No! They made him nervous. The bro doesn't even exist. No! He's crying. No!
Tati. ¿Qué te pasó?
What have you done, you
This
dog?
dog got mad at the ice for being slippery.
No! Oh. Oh. Woohoo! Yippee!
This dog wasn't too happy about being at daycare.
Why does he sounds like a choking grandma? You know, it's like one of those big grandmas that is eating food in a restaurant and someone she suddenly like makes the chicken go the wrong way and she starts the same sound. It's the same sound that my grandma.
Hey, look at all these wieners.
It's the same sound that my grandma made when she choked.
Hi, wiener.
No! He's like, don't chat with me. Nah! I don't want your attention now. Fuck off. Nah!
Hi, wiener.
What are you two doing there, huh? Hmm? He lagged. These dogs are always so badly made. Like, every time that you see this dog in a video, he's just acting so weird. It's like, I don't know, a lot of people say that those dogs are like rats, but I don't see rats doing this kind of stuff. They're just really badly made.
Birthday to you.
These dogs are always such good boys. Oh, look at him. He's like a little baby. Oh.
Aw, he can do it, but you have to give it back. You have to give it back. Give me the egg. Drop it.
He ate the egg.
Aww. Oh my god. Stop!
Don't take
Their
out my
dog isn't too
baby.
happy about the new baby.
The dog is like, my days of peace have ended. No.
This dog scream sounded exactly like a human.
Hold on, Cole. You ready?
What?
Good finding then.
Oops. This family has a piano, and they like to play dramatic music while their dogs fight over toys.
No way. This is so dumb. I told you that this. Oh, he's dancing.
This dog got upset when this guy stopped petting.
Yippee! There's a wall. Oh. Yeah, dunk that kid. Oh, look at him.
What's that? What's that?
That's me watching Scomfy dance. Scomfy is a hot beer chatted dancer. Boom, ba-dum, boom.
No. No. No.
There was something stuck inside of this dog's mouth.
Come here.
It's gonna be a bug or an animal or something,
What is
or
it?
He was trying to think of the best way to get down the stairs.
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
that's too tall. You don't do that.
Excuse me, sir.
This big dog showed this little dog what a real bark is supposed to sound like.
Oh, what a cute baby. He looks so cute. No! Hello, Winnie. Oh!
Can I have that? What is it? Can I please? What is
No. You cannot have that.
Oh.
It's his.
Oh. Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
What is he doing? Hi, folks. Yippee! He can do it too.
Hey! No! 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 No!
I'm going to be honest with you, this kind of dog, it's the funniest dog to have. I have had dogs that go psychotic like this one, and they just start biting and messing up the house and annoying you, and they're like the funniest to have. Because they're adorable, even though they're like little destructive creatures. They're just like, they're adorable anyways.
Hey, no!
It's just so worth it to have one of these dogs. They just go on a trance, yeah. They just like, they go nuts and they go like, attack.
No. Don't huff and puff at me.
Fuck off!
Sit. Will you be my Valentine?
What? Rejected even by the dog.
Wait.
No.
Bro, I went to McDonald's and got a 4-piece nugget meal thing. And I was looking at it. I got a double nugget, so I got 5 nuggets, bro.
Not anymore. There's your 4 nuggets.
You wanna go on a car
that
ride?
dog's...
Let's go. We're going on a car ride.
Gimme.
Oh.
ว่ามีต้อยล้างกันกับ ก้าวเกียรติต้อยลีลาเจ็บปวดรวดร้าวมากครับ
No, what's going on with him? I don't know if he's doing dumb things or he cannot move the legs. Oh my god, okay, he was just dumb. Never mind. I'll be honest with you, the corgi was just going down the stairs because he cannot do it any other way around. Like, there's no other way for a corgi to go down the stairs. Look at those short legs. Look at those short little legs. What is he gonna do?
Bring your butt here.
You asked for that?
Bubba go woo woo.
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
Shake. Shake. Pig. Shake.
Is that how you get down the stairs? No. Oh.
What are you doing?
Yippee!
Oh my god!
No.
Lewis!
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits.
No.
Sit.
You guys! Ooh. Hey, my goodness!
No!
May! Hey, May, you don't do that!
Baby!
Oh
It was his dog's first time seeing snow.
Oh, what the fuck is this? Right? Go back.
Damn! Excuse me! Oh, you're so dramatic, bro! Oh my god!
Oh. Oh. No! Poor baby! He doesn't give up though. No way! No! This is like having a kid just being dumb as fuck on the street. And everyone's running around to see who is the little idiot making those noises or doing those things, and it's just it's a dog. This is so good. We need to watch this. So good. That's going to be me when I go to Japan with Sean and company. I'll be like, so they think that I'm the a special person, and everyone is like, oh, what the fuck are those random people? Well, why do they have a Oh, you make
This
that
has to
joke.
be the bravest dog I've ever seen.
You're so dumb. John, you're so dumb. Oh, what is he doing? Is he scared of a rock? No! No! It was just a bug. Yeah, scratches. Oh, yeah, fuck off.
Morning, Stitch. Are you ready to get out of bed?
No, he's not ready. Stitch is not ready. I think that this dog I think that Stitch as a name for this dog is perfect. He has the Stitch face. He looks like a Stitch. He looks like Stitch.
Morning,
Look at
Stitch.
him.
Are you ready to get out of bed?
No.
No?
No.
This dog wanted to interrupt this prayer ceremony.
What is the dog doing? Oh, it's so cute.
Okay, who in this house wants to go for a car ride?
Ai, meus dois beijinhos, beijinho, beijinho, beijinho.
No!
But Lisa, what is going on?
Don't do that with the poor bird.
This
There's two kind of dogs. The ones who play and the ones who scratch
This
their
dog
ass.
absolutely hates eye contact.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
What the hell?
No.
Hey, Brisket, I got a question for you. Brisket, do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Yes! Yes, I want mommy! The fact that he's called Brisket. Oh wow. Oh wow. What a funny dog.
For you.
Look.
Brisket, do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Would you like a carrot?
Little meatball, so cute. What a snob dog. Give mama! I want that! I want that!
He wanted to show off the new shoes that he got.
Oh damn! He has some Crocs! Look at him!
Oh, you good? Are you okay?
This dog has narcolepsy.
It's the first
and gets
time
really-
that we don't see a dog falling down the stairs. And I thought that was a dog too at the start. Because I was like, oh, another dog is falling. Nope. It was
Oh,
a poor guy.
You
No.
good? Are you okay?
This dog has narcolepsy and gets really tired whenever they get excited.
Oh, you're already. Do you want some chicken? You're already falling asleep.
Oh, poor
no.
baby.
Okay.
He fell asleep. Oh,
She might
he's
look
back.
cute, but she's actually really scary.
Push him.
Do you want
Oh? What the fuck? Yippee! Where do I look? I think that the dog fight is way better. Boom, boom.
Why does this dog sound like a man?
What the fuck is that?
Imagine being so good at something that nobody bothers to look at you.
Holy, what is the dog doing? What the fuck?
I have never seen a dog blow out candles like this.
Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Blow your candle out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Good.
Good boy. Yippee. No!
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.
Oi, 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 oi. What are you saying? What is wrong with that dog?
Oh
Poor baby.
Evie dog.
This dog absolutely hates it when his Roomba is on.
Is he gonna attack the Roomba? Yeah, turn off, idiot.
This dog is super dramatic whenever they get their nails cut.
Okay, fun fact about my child. My child's life. How do you call that? I forgot the name. Well, childhood. Fun fact, I was scared of having my nails cut. And I would scream when my mom cut my nails. And because I was scared, she would only do it after I put the hands on warm water, because she lied to me, telling me that if you put the hands under warm water, it's easier to cut the nail and it doesn't hurt. So I was a little crybaby like this dog. I get your fear. It's fine. Just put it on warm water. No.
There she goes. She's dead.
Okay, I wasn't as dramatic. No! He's being sucked into the void.
Salut mon loup. Ça va?
That was a stealthy dog.
This dog loves the
Look
jump
at
in the
him. I
laundry
didn't
when
even
the
see
dryer's
him.
warm.
I didn't even see him at first.
Salut mon loup. Ça va?
This dog loves to jump in the laundry when the dryer's warm.
Yippee! You're so comfy there, right? No!
She was just trying to take a bath.
Hello, woman. Don't let me disturb you. But we want to go to take a walk, so finish your bath.
It was his first time ever meeting a horse.
I don't like him too. He's very big. What the fuck is a giant ride? He's like a giant dog.
Are you being a nosy neighbor?
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
That's so good.
Jenny, can I help you? Huh? What is it? You show me your butt?
He's gonna cry. No.
How much soda did we get?
No. What is this thing? This is not a dog. That's a monster. A little monster.
Does anyone know why dogs do this? This poor dog really thought it was all over.
She nearly dies. Look at her head though. Holy. Oh. Oh.
This poor dog really thought it was all over.
He won.
It was their first time showing their dog their new house that they just bought.
Is he gonna pee? He's gonna pee, right? Is he gonna pee? No!
The way he shakes off the snow is so satisfying.
Ollie, come inside. Come on. Come.
Ooh. Yeah, sucks to be you, baby. Sucks to be you. See you in a bit, Peyton. I love these videos where he gets so mad. He spit it out.
Eso.
No!
He's so cute.
tired.
So yummy.
No, stop eating him.
This dog just got home from the vet and was still on some heavy medications.
He's so drugged. This is Momo in the festival.
You sound like you smoke 2 packs a day.
Oh, so cute. What a little rat. Look at him. Okay, that's terrifying, not cute. Drug doggy. And what is this guy doing?
Sit. Sit. Yeah, bust a move.
Bust a move.
Bust a move.
Yo, what the? No! Okay, this is not a dog. What is this thing? What has happened to him? What has happened to him? Someone did something to this poor baby. Oh my god. Guys, we need to screenshot this. Guys, screenshot this. We need to make a Discord sticker of this dog. That is the ugliest parrot. He does look like a parrot, right? We need to make a sticker of this guy. He's so sad.
You just got locked up, boy. Your ass done got locked up. You can't even get. Oh!
No! No! Bye bye, Mobius.
Sadie, high five.
Oh.
No.
No, poor baby. Ooh, looking slick.
¿Vas a dejar de morderme? No, vacía. Te dije que no.
Yippee! Oh!
Bro, no one believes me that my dog is scared of Kim Jong-un. He does not like him. Who is this Johnny? Who is that? Yeah, you tell him.
Oh wow. He's a reincarnated North Korean citizen. No. Oh. Boom. The power move incoming. Boom, boom.
Something tells me this isn't his first time getting caught.
I bet that he has been caught several times. Yep. What a good boy. Let him be inside too. He wants feet. Oh, he's sitting. He wants to make them believe that he was like trying to look bigger, so they give him more food.
Or
Oh, look at them. Oh. This is me at 2 p.m. if you try to wake me up. I'm still sleeping. FBI, open up.
Come on. Inside.
No,
You wanna come in?
not anymore. No!
this guy wanted to see what would happen if he screamed while his dogs were playing.
It's like, human, what are you doing, human? Oh. It's gonna be something mean. You. Oh. No!
Her dog wants to attack any object she shows interest in.
Wow, a pine cone! I love pine. No, a bush! Wow, a flower! A flower! You ate it?
Oh, he's stunned.
That is the end of this video. Just a reminder that if you enjoyed this video, I do have a YouTube channel called Daily Dose of Pets where I show the funniest pet videos on the internet.